What is good, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Today is the day. About to start up the S2K right now and head out to MP's shop, go meet up with Mark, and hopefully today goes as planned. All right, so let's get it. Oh, we back again at it. Oh, oh, oh.
The wheel.
Oh. Woo. Look at the red stitching though. Oh shit. Yeah, this does look way better. Oh man. Oh man. Oh. Damn. It's got the LEDs in it. It's also going to tell you all the stats that you need to know right here. Carbon fiber also has the gripping in the back. See that? Ooh, told you guys, one of one so far. I'll probably be the only S2K for right now with this. This carbon fiber is crazy. Look at the weave and then the stitching that he did with the perforated. Oof. Oof. This is going to be sick. I'm telling y'all, just wait on it. Wait until you see all the features. So this here is how we're gonna be able to do all the functions with the steering wheel. Just have to plug it into the OBD port, and then it's just gonna do everything from there. All right, so now he's about to uninstall the steering wheel over there, so that way we can smack this one on there.
Right. There we go, Philip.
Airbag, airbag. For that shit to explode. So you see the little readers right there. Bang. Now he's just got to finish doing this and then take off the steering wheel. Probably need to get the snap on.
Can you try to hold it?
Easy, like 1, 2, 3. Damn, no steering wheel gang. Look at that carbon. Carbon fiber looking mad fire. Shit. Shit. It's a whole different steering wheel now. Oh my god.
Yeah. Mission almost accomplished.
But will the horn work and will the lights cut on? Is the real answer. So right now they're trying to figure out how they can get the ground to work on the steering wheel. So Mark is going through a little bit of procedures to figure it out.
I could just do this. Yeah, this is just to power the wheel.
Yeah.
Let me turn this on. For the first time, you have to turn it on, right?
I think so. I didn't do this. I didn't plug this in.
Oh, this one's not the same as the other ones, right?
No, it is.
Alright, so turn the key forward.
Put it on?
Press speedo.
Put the car on?
You don't have to turn it on, because they should get something already.
No.
Go through the thing. Okay, so you got the temperature, got the voltage, got the map sensor.
Should I turn it on?
You can turn it on, yeah.
How is that?
It didn't come yet, it's probably registering yet. Yeah.
It's all the way in? Take it off?
It's probably because the jump pack is probably dying or something already. So you should probably wire it up that way. It's like with the car. Remember, you gotta figure out how to get the power supply on.
Shit. I mean, it's still powering. Pretty good.
If you hold it to 6,000, close to 6,000, cool stuff happens.
Yeah, keep on linking and linking.
Yeah,
It's like my
it could be because that one's far away. That port is too far away.
I think so.
Huh?
Still kind of delayed, but
Yeah, mine's like pretty accurate.
Mark's out here whipping the S2K while you already know your boy always has to get gas. Yeah. Steering wheel's looking mighty fire. Woo! This thing looks crazy. how clean this car looks, boy. Yes. Yes. Yeah.
Polka dots on her new pajama. Take the bitch out to Bahama.